Welcome to our first CCC Trends report of 2022. I'm Susanna Gotch. Each month, we highlight key developments impacting the property and casualty insurance and collision repair industries. Our goal? To deliver news to help you make better business decisions and create better customer experiences. So, let's get started. It's hard to believe that we're nearly 2 full years into the pandemic, where we saw adoption of things like cloud, artificial intelligence, and mobile accelerate rapidly. We also saw consumers and companies adapt to significant changes in how we both live and how we work. Finally, we saw disruption in supply chains and significant shortages in both materials and labor that have emerged as our economies recover. At first glance, the year ahead appears to be another one of COVID uncertainty, but there are other major trends that will impact us. So let's take a look. We've boiled it down to 5 trends, and here they are. Number 1, the changing work landscape and its impact on auto sales, traffic volumes, and accident severity. Number 2, more cars equipped with advanced driver assistance systems and connected vehicle technologies. Number 3, the emergence of climate change as a significant factor in insurance risk and regulation. Number 4, our on-demand world has led to new customer expectations. And number 5, a carryover from 2021, increased complexity, continuing to disrupt our status quo. So let's dig in on each of these. The first trend is how changes to how we live and work will continue to impact auto sales, travel, and accident severity. According to a survey by Workplace.com, 37% of U.S. employees will work remotely at least 1 day per week this year. That means that the changes we've seen to how, when, and where people are driving may be permanent. Miles driven fell sharply in 2020, but recovered steadily in 2021. Recent government data, however, shows that miles driven are still down about 5% from 2019. Forecasting traffic patterns in 2022 is also challenging, particularly given the new Omicron variant and the soaring rate of inflation impacting all industries. Suffice it to say, we know it won't look like 2019 anytime soon. So let's talk about the second big trend, the increase in the overall number of vehicles equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, and connected car technologies. Recent reports from OEMs suggest that nearly 80% of vehicles purchased in the U.S. over the last 12 months, ending August 31, 2021, were minimally equipped with automatic emergency braking. Many of these vehicles are also now equipped with semi-autonomous features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, which have the potential to drive distraction and to change real-world driving. Who should have access to that connected car data is also a central part of the right to repair legislation now making its way through the courts. Our third big trend, climate change. The property and casualty insurance industry has been at the forefront of feeling the effects of climate change as the number and severity of severe storms has grown. Over the last several years, the U.S. has been pounded by flooding, hail, wildfires, hurricanes, tornadoes, and drought. And that increased frequency combined with evolving regulatory requirements could threaten company business models. Our fourth big trend, changing customer expectations, where digital, mobile, and personalized experiences have become table stakes. Customers now expect a digital experience, but balanced with human contact at just the right times. Our fifth and final trend, complexity. Whether it's from increased vehicle technology such as ADAS, more data from more things, or more disruptive entrants turning traditional business models upside down. So, how will we adapt to these trends? Our industry will continue to turn to technology and connected systems to simplify and streamline processes to create better customer experiences. For more details, including a look at the trends that made headlines in 2021, head to our website at cccis.com. Thank you for joining us for this issue of CCC Trends.